and today we are going to be doing an interview. And I'm going to have 5 questions on our interview. Now, let's go ahead and get right into it.
Hello, Lauren Cali. First of all, I would like to say that it's a pleasure for me being on your show today. All right, so some of your viewers have actually sent in some questions and they would like for us to, get your response. Number 1, how do you feel about our current president, Donald Trump?
So, Donald Trump, he's rich and he really doesn't care about the country. He's like more interested about playing golf. Yeah, that's how I feel about Donald Trump. He really doesn't care about the country.
How do you think he feels about animal rights?
Oh, he does not like them at all. He thinks they are horrible, and he thinks he is just sending people out to go and kill the pandas, the cheetahs, and all the other different animals. The rainforest animals, the desert animals, animals that don't even have water. Yeah. It's so sad.
That takes us to our next question. So we know how you feel about our current president. So next, we have an election coming up in a few years. If you had to suggest anyone to be the next president, who would you suggest?
I would suggest Michelle Obama.
Wow, that might work. What about for vice president?
Me.
So what differences do you think that you and Michelle Obama would make versus Donald Trump?
Well, first thing, his golf course in Florida, we're going to turn it into a Minnie and Mickey Mouse shop with all of their things. You remember that airplane he used to have? We're going to destroy it. And then we're going to make an airplane that is all pink, that has Michelle Obama's face and mine.
If you could do one thing right now, what would you do to change the world? What would that one thing be? To make a difference in the world, to make a true change.
To take away all of the guns.
Take away all of the guns. Do you think that will help society or make things worse?
Help society.
So Lauren Cali, how old are you?
I am about to be 8 in 6 months.
And what are your goals for 2018?
To read all of my books and to be president next year.
And if you had one thing that you could tell all of your million followers out here right now on YouTube and the different social media sites, what would you tell them?
I would tell them, guys, please subscribe, share, comment, and like, and make sure you look on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Please. Especially YouTube. And subscribe. Bye guys. And make sure you subscribe and like and comment my video. But not me. Bye.